How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor Virtue Traffic Advisor series. So we offer these units in our Virtue 6 and Virtue 8 models here. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your unit going to your wiring harness. Now you'll have your SIG plug here for power, or you can cut and hardwire if you'd like to. Then you'll have a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional direct control. And then you'll see your aux cable here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your direct control. And we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. So let's go over a couple of those color options. So here I have one of our Virtue 6 in red blue, and then here is our Virtue 8 in a red blue amber tricolor upgrade model. And then here is an amber clear color unit, for example, as well. Now again, we offer any of these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in dual or tricolor. And you'll notice my units are on different flash patterns here, but each of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, and all of these units will have memory recall. Now, built into the flash patterns, you have the ability to run color A or color B independently, or run your unit in multicolor mode. So for example here, on my red-blue Virtue 6, my color A is red, and on my red-blue amber Virtue 8, my color A is red-blue. So you'll see that I have multiple patterns in color A, and then you'll see my unit will switch to color B. So color B on my red-blue unit will be blue, and color B on my red-blue amber tricolor unit will be amber. And then you'll see you'll have a few patterns here in color B, and then when you get through those patterns, you'll be back into your full multicolor patterns. So you'll see you'll have the ability to run color A, color B, or your unit in multicolor. Now the same concept applies to your traffic advisor mode. So you'll see I'll switch my units to center out here. So you'll see that I have a color A to color B sweep, and I have pattern 1, and then pattern 2, and then pattern 3 here for center out. Now that's my multicolor color A, color B sweeps in traffic advisor. And then past these flash patterns, you have 3 patterns in color A. So you'll see pattern 1, pattern 2, and pattern 3, and then you'll get into your color B patterns. So you'll have color B pattern 1, pattern 2, and pattern 3. And then if you go back, you'll see you're back into your color A and color B sweep in multicolor mode. And you'll have that for center out, left right, and right left on your traffic advisor. And you have the ability to run slow or fast on your direct control. So you'll see I can run my traffic advising in slow or fast mode, and same while I'm in warning mode as well. So you'll see I'm in fast mode, and then I can switch to slow. And again, that works for warning and traffic advisor mode with our direct control box. Now we do offer several mounting options for your traffic advisor. So we have our 90-degree suction cup bracket, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our adjustable and static headliner brackets, and our surface mount end caps. And if you'd like to exterior mount your unit, we do have the ability to weatherproof these. And then finally, you'll have your windshield visors as options for each size as well. So that covers our multicolor Virtue Traffic Advisor series. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos, and also check out our interactive players right below the main product pictures. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.